Okay.
Honor, snap 240, WCAT snap 240, 2 low bandits beneath you, currently no factor.
Give her exact position of this fight.
A4 intersection, guys.
Copy.
That's where the bombers are.
Still 12 miles out.
And
Out.
they're at 20K for the bombers.
That's blue pass to
Check
109.
left.
Right, going to the bombers.
Let's go 23K, then level. You can.
Copy that.
On level now.
Swede, 109 on me. You're
You guys
good.
look like you're cleared to kill if you're chasing a bandit.
As soon as we see combat, drop tanks.
Drop tanks.
You're pretty close today, right now.
I would drop tanks now, guys, and just try to get up as high as you can. Bombers are at least 20, maybe 23.
Level at 23, headed 10 miles out.
And 015 now.
Honor, what's your high 6? I see a diver.
Let's get up to 25, you can.
Ambitions 109.
Turn a little bit north.
Go on
Zap.
level for speed. I got a 109 behind me.
Lost visit. Zap.
Got 2 of them back there.
Rear long
Honor
section.
break.
Thank you.
Sweet's out, got one smoking RTB ammo.
Going level 25.
Honor may have a sec.
Dots, 1 o'clock.
Pepper, keep going. I'm going to clear this 109.
Copy.
on you.
Drop tank away.
Pepper, keep going. I'm going to clear this 109.
Guns reselected.
Reselect.
Turn it right.
I'm BBs only, though, and there's 3 more behind them.
Oh,
Vids
when?
on bombers.
Yeah, 8 or 10 o'clock.
Top 3rd kill.
Copy.
Huge bombers, yeah.
19%.
Alright, got a couple of... coming right at us. Going in. Oh, pass.
Copy.
Muzz is defensing, egressing south at 16,000.
Oh, I lost my rear fuselage.
Status stops.
Neutral now. The lag roll behind me should be up to speed, though.